Have you ever wondered how the world would look if extinct species still roamed the Earth? Picture this, a world where the echoes of the past still ring in the present, where the majestic creatures of yesteryears continue to shape the course of life. Imagine the stories they would tell, the lessons we could learn from them. Would our understanding of life, of nature, be different? Today, we delve into the history and legacy of extinct species, unearthing lessons from lost worlds. To understand the legacy of extinct species, we must first trace their history. Picture this, a world teeming with diverse life forms, each one unique, each one playing a vital part in the delicate balance of nature. Now, imagine some of these species disappearing forever. This is extinction, the end of an organism or a group of organisms, typically a species. The annals of Earth's history are marked by significant extinction events, periods when a large number of species died out in a relatively short time. The distant past saw 5 major mass extinctions, the first of which was the Ordovician-Silurian extinction, over 400 million years ago. This event wiped out nearly 85% of marine species, a staggering number, altering the course of life on Earth. Fast forward to the most recent extinction event, the Quaternary extinction, which occurred approximately 10,000 years ago. This event saw the demise of many large mammals such as the woolly mammoth, the saber-toothed cat, and the giant ground sloth, marking the end of the Pleistocene epoch. Beyond these mass extinction events, individual species have also disappeared from our planet. Take the dodo, for instance. This flightless bird, native to the island of Mauritius, was driven to extinction by the 17th century due to hunting and habitat loss. The passenger pigeon, once the most abundant bird in North America, was hunted to extinction by the early 20th century. And who can forget the Tasmanian tiger, a marsupial native to Australia, Tasmania, and New Guinea. Despite its name, it was more closely related to kangaroos and wallabies than to tigers. The last known Tasmanian tiger died in captivity in 1936. These species, now lost to time, have left behind more than just fossils and legends. They've left a void in our ecosystems and a stark reminder of the fragility of life on Earth. As we trace the history of these extinct species, we're not just recounting tales of creatures long gone, we're also learning about our own place in this complex web of life. Remember, extinction is forever. Once a species is gone, it's gone for good. The legacy of extinct species extends far beyond their physical remains. Imagine a world where the mammoth still roams, and the dodo flutters through the air. The ecological, evolutionary, and cultural effects of extinct species are profound and far-reaching. Their absence has left indelible marks on our planet's ecosystems and evolutionary processes, while their memory continues to shape our culture and imagination. Let's dive into the ecological legacy first. Consider the disappearance of the once mighty megafauna, creatures like the woolly mammoth and the saber-toothed tiger. Their extinction has had a notable impact on plant distribution. These giants were once vital for the dispersal of large seeds, and without them, the range of certain plant species has drastically decreased. Next, we turn our lens to the evolutionary legacy. The extinction of species can trigger a cascade of evolutionary changes. For instance, the disappearance of a predator might allow its prey to develop new traits and behaviors, altering the trajectory of their evolution. Finally, we can't forget about the cultural legacy of extinct species. They continue to shape human imagination and serve as powerful symbols. Take the dodo, for example. This flightless bird, driven to extinction by human activity, has become a universal symbol for the consequences of human actions on nature. It's a stark reminder that our actions have lasting impacts, and that the loss of a species is a loss forever. The legacy of extinct species is a complex tapestry woven from threads of ecology, evolution, and culture. It's a narrative that speaks of the interconnectedness of life and the far-reaching impacts of extinction. Yet within this narrative, there's also a glimmer of hope. By studying extinct species and understanding their legacies, we can learn valuable lessons about biodiversity, conservation, and our own role in the web of life. We can use this knowledge to shape our actions and help ensure that the legacy of extinction does not become our own. In their absence, extinct species continue to teach us invaluable lessons about our world. The echoes of extinct species reverberate through time, reminding us of the intricate web of life on Earth. These species, now lost to time, have shaped our ecosystems, propelled the course of evolution and imprinted our cultures. Their disappearance speaks volumes about the delicate balance of biodiversity. These are not tales of mere loss, but lessons in adaptation, survival, and the consequences of imbalance. As we remember these lost worlds, let their legacy inspire us to protect the diversity of life that still thrives today.